My goodness, look how tall the snow is right over here. Holy cow. You can see right here, whoa, look at the drift right up here. It's like halfway between my knees right there. And look at all the snow right here. And the snow drifts right over there. And look at my car right over here. I put the wiper blades up. I'm gonna try to walk to the beach now. Holy cow, look at that. Woo, it's blustery out here. The winds are whipping about 20 miles per hour. There goes another wind gust. Hopefully that doesn't knock the power down. My biggest concern, that was the risk I took for coming down to the beach. Woo, it's hard to catch your breath right here. Oh boy, I hope that's not flooding. I mean, we'd not be able to walk up to the beach. Check this out, the winds are blustery. Holy cow. The winds have calmed down a little bit, but look at that. You can't even see much. It's whiteout condition. Holy cow. Woo! We're under a blizzard warning. The last time that happened was January of 2018. Over 1,000 days we're under a blizzard warning for 12 to 18 inches, possibly 24 inches of snow. And at home they have a winter storm warning in Central Jersey, 8 to 12 inches, but they're reporting about 6 inches right now. We have about another 3 more hours. Let me turn the camera around. The shot of the street right here is crazy. Look at the main road right over there. Oh, it looks like the flooding has gone down. There was some flooding here. Oh, look at this ice right here, black ice. Ooh, sliding. This is crazy right here. I have to be careful, there's no cars. I'm standing right in the middle of the road right over here. You can see they didn't plow the street over there. See the drifting and the blowing right there. The snow plow didn't come right there, but that's... I have to catch my breath. Woo! You can see right there, that's the snow blowing to the side. This is crazy right here. Holy cow. Okay, we made it to the beach. You can't see anything. Holy cow. Woo! Whiteout conditions. It's bitterly cold. Only 24 degrees. I need like a ski mask or ski goggles. Holy cow, that's brutal. Okay, looks like the top of the car is ice, which we could defrost, but I thought that was going to be all ice, which we're lucky. It's just snow, so I'm able to snow. I might have to put a little bit of salt down or a mat for traction right over there to shovel all of this. And right over here, this is a little bit concerning, but it'll probably go away. The bumper right here, since someone hit me at the grocery store and we didn't get it fixed, the snow weighed down the bumper right there. You could see the opening. See, good news, when I got back 2 days later, they didn't do my driveway this time, so that's good. I'll be able to use the snowblower and try out these new ice cleats on the bottom of my boots right there. You could see the snow came all the way over here under the overhang right over here.